Hello buddies, welcome once again to the Information Security Newspaper channel. My name is Miguel. So as always, I would like you to stay till the end, and remember, if you got any comments or suggestions, I want you to please write them down and I'll answer later. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, I want to know, do you use IoT or Internet of Things devices? What would you do if I tell you that the security cameras you have in your house actually can be hacked? Hey, would you like to learn on how to hack security cameras? So we're going to talk about this now. Actually, you can hack security cameras just as we see in the movies. Okay, so today's note is about how somebody can hack the IoT devices. As you know guys, these IoT devices help us to measure and identify a lot of information pretty easy, such as the refrigerator, the air conditioner, or even a hair implant. And well, a group of researchers called Forecast, they managed to hack some security cameras on a building, and I'm going to explain to you how they do it. Well, after this, we're finding out that IoT devices are not that secure. Okay, so first they sneak in to the building internal network. Later, they intercept the traffic from the cameras and they started recording it to play it later. They force the camera to disconnect from the server, and at the end, when the server tries to connect with the camera again, they modify the request to play the recording they got from before. So well, this is how this specialist managed to hack the security cameras of a building, and the intention was just to raise awareness of people installing the best security configurations on their IoT devices. Because actually it can be very harmful, because just imagine that somebody tried to hack the security cameras of a public building such as a bank, an airport, even a hospital. So that's why these guys do it. Well, speaking of which, recently also the government of the United States, they just fined the Cisco company because actually they were selling cameras with a lot of flaws and vulnerabilities. And well, due to this, several companies were affected, and these companies are included some hospitals, schools, and even the United States Army. And well, if I could work with this Forecast group of cybersecurity, I would love to enter to military area 51 and manage to acquire some confidential files. That would be great. But now, being serious guys, really, I recommend you again to install the best security configurations. And if you know someone that has IoT devices or things connected to the internet, please, you should better go with a specialist so they can configure the devices properly. So guys, would you like to identify spy messages easily? Really, don't you think that spam messages and chain messages are really annoying? Really guys, tell me, how many times you have sent audio videos to your list of contacts? Okay, so let's talk about that now. WhatsApp will alert us when a message is sent several times. Okay, so this WhatsApp application is a text messaging app, and well, it was developed almost 10 years ago. And well, approximately 5 years ago, Facebook acquired it. So now the app has around 1.5 billion users, which is a lot. So as you know, WhatsApp is always and constantly evolving. They are configuring their application so it is safer for users. Well, recently they just developed this new feature that tells us when a message was forwarded several times. And well, this will help users to identify when they are sending spam messages or annoying chain messages. So guys, as you know, WhatsApp has a lot of tools. Well, currently, for example, it has a little arrow that tells when a message has already been forwarded. Also, it has the ability of just being able to send the same text or a forward message to 5 people. But with this new tool, WhatsApp will add another arrow, and that way you'll be able to identify the messages that have been forwarded a lot. Well, this will help us to identify the content that is secure, and will let you read the messages, of course, and the most important, that you'll be able to identify spam messages or annoying chain messages. And well, as we know, WhatsApp is a company that is always trying to keep the information and conversation of its users protected. So that's why we congratulate WhatsApp, and we hope that they keep doing this because they are continuously improving the message platform and they are going great. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the news. If you got any comments, remember you can write us down. And well, I recommend you, if you want to view more of our content, you can go ahead to our social media. We got the links down below. Well, see you in the next one.